What's up, guys? It's Johnny. Check it out. We're at a big one today. This place, I mean, just look at this. Amazing. We got to clean it up, guys. Check this out. Got a lot of dirt up under there. We've got a lot of dirt down here. Gonna clean all this brick. This is gonna look beautiful. We're gonna try not to roll that down the hill later on. Gorgeous property. Dirty brick. We got a lot of lichen growth. Check this out. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Look at this. A lot of green. I see a lot of Japanese maples and ferns. That's never good for, got to be careful with the SH so you don't hurt those. Gonna clean up this brick. Maybe hit this little bitty walk here. Down here. Look at this. You've got brick on both sides. A lot of dirt. I think my trailer just pulled up. Look at this gorgeous property. We're not going to touch this moss so we don't kill all that as much as possible, but we are going to clean all this walkway up good. Probably do this little sidewall for him just for fun. Lots and lots of organic growth on all the bricks. I'm not going to clean all the planters, but we might just touch them with a little bit of bleach. We'll clean off some of this brick, maybe some of this here. A lot of living stuff on this, but it would be some pressure to get that off. And we did not bill for that. $2,000 a day. So all this concrete, all the brick, I mean, we're not doing the sidewalls of any of this, but we're definitely gonna do the brick here, up top. We're gonna do all these steps, kill everything on that, blast that out pretty good. Hydrangeas look great, don't they? All this brick here, we're going to clean all this surface up good. These steps circle around to the other side of the property. We're going to go down there a little, all up here. A lot of surface for surface cleaning today, but we are going to hit everything with a 2% sodium hypochlorite to kill all the living stuff before we try to blast it off. A lot of steps, that means wand work. That means a sore back later, but it'll be worth it. So nice little area up here, a little seating area, all that green. That's what we're here for. A little bit of green on the side of the house, but we did not charge for a house wash. How does, okay. We'll probably knock some of that off while we're spraying. A little bit of green on the side of the house here. We're gonna knock that off, clean that up for him. We're gonna do this entire brick walkway out front. A lot of square footage. All of this here, this brick inlay here in the driveway, we're gonna get that done. That's gonna clean up nicely. Got a lot of walkway up here underneath the house. All this brick's getting treated, all of it's getting pressure washed. That's where we started at over there and went down around the house. So pretty much everywhere we see brick, we're gonna run a surface cleaner along this and try to clean up all this. Our customer has a party and some people coming in, so we're going to see how we can get it cleaned up for him. Most of today will be spent doing this. We're not planning on working on this tomorrow. We're planning on being done with it today. We got two great machines, two nice BE 20-inch surface cleaners, the Whirlaways. So we should be able to bomb all this out today. We've got my truck and my soft wash system, and then we've got the soft washing system on our trailer, and we can downstream from our pressure washer if necessary. So we should bust this right on out. And I think I hear my trailer. So anyways, that's what we got going on today, guys. We're going to be doing a lot of cleaning, a lot of cleanup work at this beautiful property out here in an undisclosed location for an undisclosed client. You hear it? I hear it. That's my trailer. So yeah, it's gonna be a good day. This will be a good job. It's gonna take us a while, but it's going to be very, very worth it. It's my trailer there. We'll see you, boys.